Hey guys, Crazy Kraken here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use a butterfly knife. So to start, what you want to do is take your knife by the handle without the latch. This is the latch handle, and the reason you don't want to take it by this handle is that if the knife closes on you, while you're holding that handle, the knife is going to dig into you. But if you're holding the handle without the latch, it's going to hit the back of the knife. So what you want to do is take the handle, flip the latch handle over your finger like this, then rotate the knife and flip the latch handle back towards you like this. You can also do that the same way to close it. All you have to do is flip the latch handle over your finger like this, rotate it, and flip it back towards you. And it's going to look like this if you do it fast. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to be uploading more videos soon, and I'll see you in the next one.